Hey, I'm not even doing nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind your back. Get on your belly.
You are under arrest, and I don't want to use force. Please. Come on.
Arrested just for not keeping his mouth shut. The incident caused a storm on social networks.
Step out.
Look, I was just grabbing my lighter. I didn't do nothing wrong. You can't just put somebody in handcuffs. There's a little bit of alcohol, but I'm not drunk.
Exactly. 1 second. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be used against you in a court of law.
How did police react when the arrest video caused national outrage? You won't believe the real reason this man was arrested. A seemingly harmless statement turned out to be a ticket straight to jail.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm good. He slammed me on the fucking ground.
Big deep breath, blow till I say stop. Blow. Blow. Blow harder. Blow, 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 blow. There you go. All right, John, I'll be requesting that you submit to a test of your breath.
When the police ask you to roll down your rear window without giving a clear reason, is that the beginning of an illegal bug hunt? And what happens when people start to argue?
Lost, bub? You seem like you're pretty lost.
Yeah, I was looking for somebody who was selling something on Facebook. And
where are you trying to get to, like, in general? Like Muldrow, trying to get to
it was supposed to be Muldrow, I think.
Oh, you're going the wrong way then, bub.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
You care to put the cigarette out while we're talking? Because it gets sucked out the window at me. And I don't want to sit here and deal with the smoke.
No problem.
You got your driver's license insurance card on you?
I don't have insurance at the time. I just got my taxes, and I'm looking for car insurance. I'm serious. I really...
No, I believe you.
And I really just need a break this time, man. I'm serious. Like, I know that I'm doing...
What do I need to give you a break on?
I'm doing everything wrong. I don't have tags. I don't have insurance.
Okay. So, but I couldn't care less about that compared to other things. See what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
Nothing illegal inside the vehicle?
No.
Okay. So where are you trying to get to?
Muldrow.
Okay, I got you. You don't care to turn the car off for a second, okay? All right, here, step down and talk to me real quick, okay? No guns, knives, or weapons on your person?
No.
Don't reach for anything, you understand me?
Yeah.
Hey, you reach for anything, and then you step out.
Look, I was just grabbing my lighter. Look.
Not the first time this man was arrested by this same officer for a legal error. So what makes the police keep targeting him?
I didn't do nothing wrong. You can't just put somebody in handcuffs. I'm going to call a lawyer.
You're drunk is what you are.
I want to call a lawyer. I'm not drunk.
Don't you dare get up.
I want to call a lawyer. You just broke my shoulder.
Your shoulder's not broken if you're sitting there trying to get up on me.
Evidence station rolls.
Get this thing off of me.
Stand up.
It's stabbing me in my fucking chest.
It's called a probe is what it's called.
It's stabbing me, dude.
Turn around here.
I'm allowed. I have rights. I have rights. He was beating me.
Shut up.
I have rights. This is wrong. You're going to get fired.
No, you're drunk. I can smell weed. And I'm about to search that car, so you better tell me what's in the car right now.
Ain't nothing in that fucking car.
Contact with him.
Dude, you
sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Why'd you put me up then?
I'm trying to drag you. Sit down, or I'm going to kick your back down. Sit down. Sit down.
Can I please?
Sit down.
If you call my wife, you ain't got no right hitting me like this.
Here, want to fight?
I'm not drunk.
Come on.
All right, bye.
Man, I swear to God, I cannot wait till they play your video footage.
And I can't wait until that you blow into the intoxilizer.
Police have difficulty with her. Careful. I'm right here, my witness. Police should be intoxicated. He has told her not to get up. That's the only thing I can make out.
Oh, I'm hurt now. You swung me to the fucking ground. I wasn't resisting.
You're absolutely right. I did because I could smell
I wasn't resisting. I was not resisting. Yeah, you wouldn't let me get my phone so I can record you.
I'm not hitting you both serious.
Is this a good example of a free country? When your words can get you handcuffed and your liberties can be trampled just because you upset the police?
Quit moving. I'm going to get these out.
What was I supposed to do? I was trying to put my fucking phone and shit to the side.
I think there's something in the car that you don't want me to find.
There's a little bit of alcohol, but I'm not drunk.
Exactly.
That's fine. I'll tell you right where it is.
Well, hold on 1 second. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to an attorney and to have an attorney present during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you before answering questions.
You didn't read me my rights before you
Do you understand your rights?
You didn't read me my rights before you put me in cuffs.
I'm doing it now.
No,
Do you understand your rights? Do you understand your rights?
If I call my wife,
We can maybe arrange that. Do you understand your rights?
can I call her, please?
Do you understand your rights?
Can I let her know I'm not coming home?
Okay, do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Okay.
Was he gonna run me over?
No, that's my lieutenant.
If you can tell me what you have stated, age and injuries.
Dude, my life was just starting to turn around. Please, just cut me a break.
He said I broke his shoulder, but I don't.
He slammed me on the fucking ground.
He's been talking.
Taser deployment.
Yeah, he. Okay.
He told me to sit my
Hold on
stuff.
just a second, sir. Hold on just a second.
Told me you tried dipping out on me back here. It's a dead end road.
You been drinking?
I did this morning, yeah, but I haven't in a few hours.
And told him to get out, and then as soon as I got him out, he kind of bear hugged him, threw him to the ground.
No, I
How old are you,
didn't.
my
He
friend?
went roll over on the
He told me to get out and not to grab nothing.
Hey, don't worry about that.
I'm gonna go look in the car real quick.
Okay.
I have not got a chance to search him other than just like patting him down.
This case could become a national precedent. Abuse of power will be exposed, and this time, the people will not fight alone.
You care to give me a breath sample, and then I'll.
They wasn't.
Okay. Big deep breath, blow till I say stop. Blow. Blow hard. Blow. There you go.
He just needs to go BHH.
Yeah. Okay.
You would just have him go there, camera?
Yeah, that's fine. I can transport. He's 092. Well,
It's dark, and it's darker looking at it from this angle.
092 is over the limit, yes. Well, he's got the plate cover, and
Yeah.
that's the whole reason I pulled out on was the window just to follow him. And as soon as I get behind him,
Yeah.
and he's like performing an evasive maneuver on me.
So what's
You pulled against me and started going towards your driver door. That's why I bear hugged you and took you to the ground. And then when I told you to get on the ground, you wouldn't get on there.
What was your-
And-
You we have the EMS cancel.
Yeah, it's fine. He was just screaming for it whenever but he's calmed down quite a bit. So that's what I thought. I'm gonna read. I gotta read you
I'm
something
sorry.
real quick, okay, John?
And you got about 100 stickers on you, but I got to put more on there. I'm sorry.
I gotta. You okay? It's kind of lengthy, but just hang out with me. Just let me read it, okay?
Any allergies, medications?
If you refuse to submit to any test which I request, your refusal may result in the suspension of your driver's license by the court at your time of arraignment. And if you're convicted of violating KRS 1898010 DUI, result in your license being suspended by the
Can you just silence my? Never mind.
You say this.
If you refuse to submit to the breath or urine test, this refusal may be used against you in court as evidence of your violation of KRS 1898010.
Police Chief Brian Myers confirmed that an internal investigation is underway and pledged to address the issue, but did not specify any specific violations. He still avoided mentioning civil rights violations or abuse of power. Civil rights lawyers have said the case has high potential for litigation. Next, just because of a small piece of cloth, a woman was arrested in the middle of the courtroom. But what shocked everyone was the reason behind that action.
He can say whether or not.
He cannot. He's being held by the Supreme Court. The difference here, if you walked into the sheriff's office and they said, hey, you need to put a mask on, and you didn't.
When the police say, I don't want to do this, but do it anyway, is justice being controlled by another hand?
You are under arrest, and I don't want to use force.
Well, he looks like he ain't wearing the mask properly either, so neither am I guess.
The arrest us all.
It's just not allowed. We're sitting apart. There's nobody here.
Go and stand up now, please. Come on. Thank you.
Sorry.
I know, I understand what you're doing. I'm asking you to please not put us in this position.
Okay.
We're not happy about it either.
He's the judge. He can say whether or not.
He cannot. He's being held by the Supreme Court. If they charge you with contempt, I have no choice. I do not want to do this. You've made your point. I understand it. Do not make me do something that I don't want to do. This is a public building. However, the courtroom belongs to the judges.
Yes.
They can hold you in contempt.
Yes, I understand that. He was waiting for him to say, I'll hold
He can't hold you in
Yes,
contempt.
I think
Okay.
he did not say that.
Okay, well, I don't want to play word games.
I know.
And I get your point.
Stupid.
I'm not going to get any enjoyment out of having to
The
charge you
sheriff
with a
says
crime.
he isn't going to enforce the mask mandate.
The sheriff has no authority over. I understand you don't. Okay, you're not proving anything to me. I get it. I'm not here to try to intimidate you. I can get clarification. If what he's saying is trespassing, I think what he means is he can ask you to leave. And if you don't leave, I believe the remedy is contempt. I don't think it's necessarily trespass. Are you here for a case?
Yes.
Okay. What are you
I
a
ain't going to
witness?
go back in it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I ain't going to put a mask on.
Okay.
So,
then what I'll do is I'll get clarification from him. But
I would like to see where
don't
it's
think-
written that we have to have a mask on in it. Where he says Supreme Court, where this is bullshit.
No law was laid down, no specific charges were laid, but the handcuffs were still fastened. Is this a modern-day version of the court interpreting the law?
They can tell you to leave. It's a private business.
Yes, I get that.
The difference here, if you walked into the sheriff's office and they said, hey, you need to put a mask on, and you didn't, the difference here is a judge has the ability to hold you in contempt.
You better remember that when it's time for re-election.
Okay, well, that's, we all have that
It
ability.
says masks are required in courtroom. It does not say it needs to be on your fucking face.
Okay, well, I think we understand that. I get.
Right?
No, not right.
Does it say it has to be on your face?
I know how intelligent you, ma'am, I know how intelligent you are.
I had a mask in my hand.
Okay, well, and what they said was that that's not acceptable. I think everybody else that goes in there understands that that's not the spirit of that rule. I'm just saying you're not going to find a loophole on it with that. The courtroom is the courtroom. So I appreciate where you're coming from. You're not going to get any argument from me, but there are rules. Like, we have to get through this proceeding. So if you'll give me a moment, we'll figure it out. If he's willing to, I think this is a resolution. Can you do me a favor? Can you have Maggie come out so I can just clarify with her? If you don't mind me asking, which case are you here for?
For Michael Walter.
Okay.
I had a mask in my hand.
I understand, but that's not the rule, Mrs. Strada. You know that. I think the judge is incorrect on the trespass thing. He can hold her in contempt. If he wants to hold her in contempt and he wants us to take her into custody, I will. But it can't be a trespass. Is the Supreme Court ruling printed anywhere, or can we print it? If we can print it, I will hand it to her.
We're under a Supreme Court order. It's a rule, not
Agreed.
law.
Trespass is different.
Yeah.
I don't think that's correct.
She didn't scream. She didn't fight back. She just stood her ground. But what made the judge decide to punish on the spot?
The judge will fill out whether there's a bond, whether it's an appearance thing, or what the deal is, so he knows. If there's a bond, he can start working on that. If there's not, then we're going to take you down to the facility, and you'll have to stay there until they see you on this. So typically, today is Wednesday.
He said it Friday.
No.
No, I'm fine with it. I'm just like, I actually wanted him to throw me in jail because
whether we see eye to eye on everything, that's irrelevant. I think the fact that you are standing up for what you believe is important.
And I thought he had more balls to just say, let's just go on with this. It's my courtroom. I can do what the fuck I want in my own courtroom, you know? And the two Republicans sound like Democrats. And the Democrat sounded like a Republican.
As far as just
He agreed.
awesome. And I was going to ask you, do you have you ever done a geofence warrant, where for Google records?
No.
If you'd like, we can knock one out for you.
You know, I don't think there's any reason why. We're kind of at a dead end.
Okay. So you don't have a problem if we send it out to the department? Like, hey, do you recognize these guys?
Small incident, but exposed a big loophole. Who do the police work for? The law, the people, or a powerful seat in the courtroom?
He did issue a no bond pending. I don't know how long they have. This is what we waited on. They're going to set a hearing. He's not speaking. I can't get any more information on that. This is not a criminal complaint that we are filing. They're filing whatever paperwork they have.
Yeah, we're not doing it.
Okay, did you let him know?
He didn't stay.
If
you have a number,
members outside, including Nathan.
Oh, well, if they're out there, then I can go let him know.
Bet those know.
Okay, well, I'll go talk to him, and we'll figure out what we need to do with that.
Does that order say transport her to CCA or what? He's stirring up a bunch of.
No, it's fine. It's not him. It's me. I wanted to see what he was going to do. It's his courtroom. He could have.
Just do a quick report.
I was waiting for him to tell
Put it
me
under
you are in
court
contempt
commitment?
of court. He didn't. I said you are here for trespassing, and then these. And so they're like, no, you can't hold me in trespass. You have to hold me in contempt. But no, I'm fine with it. I just feel bad that I'm wasting y'all's time. There's other stuff that's more important.
You've been decent with us. We appreciate it. I don't take it personally. I am not happy that we're in this position, but this is where we're currently at.
Yes, he can do it if he wants. He just remember, we elected him in there, and he's got to remember this, 4 years.
Citizens may sue public officials for violating their constitutional rights pursuant to 42 U.S. Code SS 1983. The individual/organization may be required to pay restitution to the injured party. In severe or intentional cases, punitive damages may be ordered. Additionally, the court may order the losing party to pay the plaintiff's attorney fees and litigation costs. The woman was held for 24 hours without the possibility of bail, causing outrage in the community. The case raises major questions about the power of local courts and the role of police in preventing violations of the law in the justice system they serve. Next, do you believe that simply holding up your phone to film a police car can get you pulled over? Are civil rights at stake in the middle of New York?
Can't be turned into a crime. Just like somebody praying on the sidewalk can't be turned into a crime. You can't say you're loitering and you can't say that you're being disorderly. You know what I mean? So just some advice to you is just be careful. Be careful with telling. I'm just letting you know. I mean, if you want to open yourself up to a lawsuit, that's fine, because I already got you on camera telling me.
What happens when an ordinary citizen knows the law and dares to resist vague instructions from the police? This confrontation will make you rethink your freedom.
They stuck on their phones. There must be a fire somewhere. Hi.
What are you doing?
You know what that white box is? Do you know what that white box is?
What's the matter? Can we help you?
No, I'm okay, thank you.
Okay.
You just told me to stop recording in public.
I said stop recording the vehicle.
What's your name and badge number? Can I have your card? Can I have your card, please?
Badge number 24735.
Nice to meet you. I'm Guy.
Nice to meet
What's
you.
your name? Beheran. All I heard is mad Spanish. You have a card? Yes, please. Yeah. Why would you tell me to stop recording?
Because why are you so close to the vehicle and recording inside of the vehicle?
What's the problem? Me recording or me being close to the vehicle?
You're recording inside of our department.
The cities, right?
Yeah, the city's vehicle. Why
I mean, it's a city property, right? I answered that question already. Can I have your card, please? And then you asked me if I needed help, and I asked you a question about the car. You didn't want to answer my question about the car, so obviously you don't want to help me. Do you want to help me, or?
We're trying to figure out what the problem was with you.
No, I'm just investigating the city property, that's it. It's not strange.
We're trying to see if you needed help.
No, yeah, I was asking you a question about the car. You didn't want to answer it.
No crime, no violence, but the atmosphere was tense. One wrong word from the police, and it could be a lawsuit worth tens of thousands of dollars.
All police cars have something different. I find them interesting. So I investigate them because it's city property, and the people pay taxes to fund these vehicles. They're public property.
Yeah, like the taxes.
I mean,
Kinda like the
you
same
pay
thing,
taxes.
Everybody pays taxes.
You
right?
pay taxes on tax money. So it's a little bit different. But you told me so I can't record in public? Yeah.
Make sure that things were good with you.
Yeah, all is well. I'm
You
just
have to make sure we are safe.
Yeah, you're safe. I'm not a threat to you. Oh yeah, I'm just recording inside the vehicle.
That's fine. All right, no problem.
There's no problem, right?
Just making sure you're good.
But the problem became when she told me to stop recording.
No, but she said
That right there, you just open yourself up to a lawsuit. You're not even supposed to tell me to stop recording. Me recording is not supposed to be a problem at all. Do you know why? Do you know why me recording shouldn't be a problem? You can't tell me to stop praying. You can't tell me to stop talking. You can't tell me to. Most officers or most tyrants that I run into, and I don't think you're tyrants. Most tyrants that I run into, they always say, "No, you can record all you want, but don't do this and this and this." So they try to make it to where like recording is the problem for them, but they know they can't say recording is the problem. You understand? So they make it into something else. Oh, you're being disorderly or this and that. It's always trying to be something else. So they try to turn photography into a crime, which just like somebody praying on a sidewalk can't be turned into a crime. You can't say you're loitering and you can't say that you're being disorderly. You know what I mean? So just some advice to you is just be careful. Be careful with telling.
The cameras go up, the police step in, and a seemingly innocuous statement could end up being used as evidence in a federal court.
Not to exercise my rights in public.
So, like I said, do what you gotta do.
But
I told you to stop recording inside of the vehicle. No one told you to stop recording in general. But
I'm still exercising my
make it
rights.
that way, yeah?
I'm
But you wanna
still
make it that
exercising
way.
my rights in public, and you're telling me not to.
You cannot record inside of the
Do you understand what
vehicle.
she told me to do?
You wanna record
I can
the
record
car?
whatever I
That's
want.
fine. You're not gonna record inside of the vehicle.
You telling me I'm not going to? So what happens if I record inside the vehicle?
I just told you.
You don't see how she's talking to me? I'm trying to be polite and cordial this whole
You
time.
understand? No, you're not.
So why she's telling me? Why she trying to give? Why are you trying to give me directives? I can record the car all I want.
What's your name, brother?
Guy.
Guy.
So you're saying I can't record the car?
I told you you can. I said not in the vehicle.
I can record anywhere. I'm in public. Yeah, if there's no crimes being committed, that means I'm free.
Yeah, you're free to go. You're free
So
to
she's
go.
telling me she's...
No one ever stopped you. Nobody's in your way. Nobody's telling you you can't go.
You said you're not gonna record the car. So I'm asking you what happens if I do record the car. Photography is not a crime, no matter how you feel. So you should get like your ego out the way. As long as I'm not damaging the vehicle, I'm not breaking into the vehicle.
A seemingly ordinary street filming moment has opened up a debate about constitutional rights, freedom, and abuse of power. So where's the line between protection and control?
You don't have to raise your voice at me.
Brother, from afar we couldn't tell.
No, I understand. So I said, okay, let me just take pictures. You know, I didn't want to do. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I just don't like the unlawful directives. If I'm not being detained or I'm not arrested, this activity is constitutionally protected. It's supposed to be protected by you. You're supposed to protect my rights, sir. I see you're exercising your rights. Just don't damage the vehicle, because then I'd have to arrest you. Don't commit any crimes, or you don't even have to tell me what to do. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, so do you need anything else from us?
I needed your car, but you never gave it to me. You did give me your car. Thank you. I apologize.
All right, God, thank you so much.
No problem. Y'all stay safe out here, right?
Just, you know.
Just advise her not to say it on camera ever again, because somebody else will sue her. You know what I mean? You keep the car clean, that's good. That's one of the things I'm investigating.
Citizens recorded the entire incident, providing clear evidence of the police's illegal request. If the incident were brought to legal attention, the police could face civil charges for violating constitutional rights. It's reassuring to know that in the city that never sleeps, if you have your camera in the right place, the police will remind you that freedom of speech is only as good as they allow it to be. She was held for 24 hours, but the question will resonate for much longer. Hey guys, what do you think about this situation? If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support us with a donation. Thank you so much. You won't believe the real reason this man was arrested. A seemingly harmless statement turned out to be a ticket straight to jail.
You are detained, so technically I can.
I'm not trying to hurt.
If you will shut your mouth, I'll tell you that you're legal.
Man,
That dude talked himself into jail.
I can see it.
I was going just right there.
When the police ask you to roll down your rear window without giving a clear reason, is that the beginning of an illegal bug hunt? And what happens when people start to argue?
All right, driver of the vehicle, step out. Hey, Metal, record a video. Don't worry, everything's being recorded.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
All right. Is there something back there you're trying to hide?
Nothing. You can search. I'll help you.
I don't want to search your
You
car.
can search. I remember you. You can search. I'll help you. You can do it. Matter of fact, I don't consent to anything.
I'm not trying to search your car.
Okay, do your job.
The only reason I wanted you to shut up.
Look, stop being unprofessional and telling people to shut up. Stop doing that. Be professional.
The only reason
you're supposed to de-escalate the situation. Stop telling me to shut up. I'm here to comply with whatever you want to tell me
You're
to do.
about to talk yourself into jail.
For what?
Because you're being aggressive.
So, is that a crime?
Yes.
Being aggressive is a crime. All right. I'm gonna talk to you like this. That's okay with you?
I don't want you to talk. I want me to conduct my traffic stop.
I invoke my right to remain silent.
Thank you, police department. The only reason I asked you to throw down your back window is because I couldn't see inside. That's why I asked you to step out. The reason I'm pulling you over is because your tag's expired. Do you have a license, insurance, and updated tag?
Yes.
Let me see it.
Not the first time this man was arrested by this same officer for a legal error. So what makes the police keep targeting him?
ID app, and every officer in the state has to accept this as a form of ID.
I do know that.
You do know that?
I do know that.
How
pull it up.
Is that what I'm doing?
You're arguing about it.
How I'm arguing with my phone in my hand?
You're not pulling it up.
I love your laws. You love them?
I do.
Yeah, you told me you break them and sleep good at night the last time. On camera.
Beauty and more on Pear Orchard.
You said that.
Never said that.
Right there. I'm legal. I don't break y'all laws.
You have an expired tag on your car.
Yeah, I need to put that on there. I have it on there by the day. I'm legal. I follow y'all laws. They pulled me over for this legal tent with the BMW on it, and he the one who took me to jail for it. The dude put the broke tent meter on it, and he said he don't have a problem with it. And then the judge threw it out. He knows I'm not lying. They put me over right there in the old Canton the last time. Dude put the tent meter on my legal tent. No, I'm saying that the judge said it's not illegal.
Okay, well, my tent meter's not broke. I can put it on there.
Yeah, put it on there. Yeah, but I'm telling him the last time they did that, it didn't fly. And I was telling them that this is legal tent. I bought the car like that.
Okay, but it's not legal to have an expired tag.
Right, I agree with you.
You mind rolling your window up just a little bit on the driver door?
Do whatever you want to do.
Well,
I
mean, it's
in the search and seizures.
Well, I'm not searching your car. I'm just asking you roll the window up just a little bit.
He told me to step out the car, man. He told me to step out the car. If you want to touch my car against my will, then you do it.
Well, I mean, I can measure your tent, but I'm asking.
Measure it. I don't want you to work anything in my vehicle.
Well, you just said I could.
No, I told you I want you to do it. I didn't tell you to do that.
Is this a good example of a free country when your words can get you handcuffed and your liberties can be trampled just because you upset the police?
You are detained, so technically I can.
I'm not trying to help you hurt me.
Calm down.
I'm trying to hurt you.
Well, if you will shut your mouth, I'll tell you that you're legal.
Man, your race been talking to us like that for too long, man. Y'all time is almost up according to Revelation. Y'all time almost up. Esau, you go back to Esau. Genesis 25:25. He said you were red all over.
Pulling the race car together.
No race car is a nation.
That's exactly what you just did.
It's a nation. I'm from the nation of Israel. You from the nation?
Let me explain something to you, sir. You understand by him writing you a citation after courtesy, he can arrest you merely on what he stopped you for. Do you understand that?
Okay.
What I'm going on to tell you is, yes, your tent is legal.
Okay, then write the ticket.
But if it's legal. That's what I'm telling you. Shut your mouth.
Stop cussing at me and de-escalate. Stop cursing and be professional, man. Stay within your professional guidelines, man. Risen Police Department says honor, integrity, and pride.
Good, you can read.
Listen, you gotta
you're not. You won't shut your mouth long enough to talk with anybody.
That's the First Amendment. It's the right to free speech.
I understand that.
Bro, that's the First Amendment, right to free speech.
But you can't converse with anybody when you interrupt them.
I'm not the little black boy from the 60s.
I'm not trying to treat you like anybody is.
But you talking to me like I'm something. You stop talking to me like
I just tried to you that your tent is legal.
I just
and you
told
won't
you that.
shut your mouth.
Listen, I don't have to. I got a right to free speech. I'm not cussing you. I'm not doing all of this. You see what I'm saying?
He wants to be an lock his.
I need to put my tag on there today.
Correct.
This case could become a national precedent. Abuse of power will be exposed, and this time, the people will not fight alone.
I asked him to roll his back window down because I couldn't see in. Wouldn't respond.
Well, I tried to talk with him reasonably at first, but he just won't. You can't get a word in with him. So, I mean, I'm not going to deal with an irrational person. And since he wants to be that way, then we'll take his guns and put him in safekeeping. He's going to learn, dude. You don't treat police like that right off the bat. I mean, I was trying to tell him that his tent was legal, and he wouldn't shut his mouth.
Yeah, that dude talked himself into jail.
I can see it.
I was going just right there. I wasn't even going to write him. I pulled him over because his tag was expired. I'm going to talk to Sarge about it because I might hit him with resisting.
Yeah. I said, you want to search me? Let's search me. I said, man, I'm just asking for your cool.
He was throwing the N-word around. He was saying we was treating him like an N-word. I'm like, dude, I just asked you for your insurance. Oh, he cuffed up easy. He didn't want that smoke. I'm going to talk to Sarge about it. Yep. Enhancement, yep. I'm going to him every way I can.
The driver claimed he'd been arrested for legally tinted windows and won in court, but was still being hassled by the officer again. Police Chief Brian Mayers confirmed that an internal investigation was underway and promised to take action, but did not specify any specific violations. He still avoided mentioning civil rights violations or abuse of power. Next, would you believe a normal outing can turn into a heart-stopping chase like in the movies?
I was like, yeah, well, I'm going home anyways. I'll go through Prince with you. We went through Prince and then we split off. I didn't see him and I saw him turn right. So I turned right too and I tried to see where he went.
He just stopped for questioning? The tense moments between the policeman and the motorcyclist will keep you glued to the action.
I really don't know.
We'll sit here till you get him on the phone.
I don't know the guy, man. I'm not even from here. I'm from Portales.
Oh, you think I'm playing? I'm not playing.
No, you're serious, sir. I know you are.
Okay, well then get off your bike and sit right there.
I don't know the guy, I swear to God.
Give me your driver's license, insurance, and registration for the bike, and I'll figure out if I'm going to tow it, because y'all are riding together, coming down Prince, heading south, riding side by side, but all of a sudden you don't know them. And then, let me finish talking, and then y'all pull up together, and he splits off right over here. You better.
I don't even know why he split off, because Like, I didn't even see anything. I was at the light, and he came up, and he was next to me, and there was another motorcycle, like, bicycle thing in front of us, and he took off, and then I don't know where that guy went. At the next light, I didn't even see him at the next light.
You're done talking. Just get what I asked you for. Because I don't put up with people fleeing. You weren't running because you know the person that was with you. Insurance, registration.
I have 2 of them. I'm not sure if that one was mine.
Shouldn't be carrying 2 licenses on you as well. You better get your phone out and start calling them. So y'all just automatically, randomly meet up. Come down Prince. Come down Prince.
Well, I was at Family Dollar and I seen that guy pass by.
Do you know how much sense that makes? And how much that doesn't add up at all?
I was just trying to I was trying to meet him, but I didn't ever get to talk to him or nothing.
Turning on the lights, honking the horn late, then threatening to confiscate the car. What is the mystery behind this decision to turn the car around? Is the truth behind it as the police think?
But you just said you were trying to meet him. So continue on. I'm listening.
I'll be really honest with you, right? I met the guy at the gas station. I never met him before. I was getting gas. He said if I wanted to roll through town with him, and I was like, yeah, well, I'm going home anyways. I'll go through Prince with you. We went through Prince, and then we split off. I didn't see him, and I saw him turn right. So I turned right too, and I tried to see where he went. I don't know the guy though. Like, I don't know his name.
You didn't exchange any information.
We're just going for a ride together.
That's how you meet random people out here?
Well, I see them off. See where they're headed. I was already going to stick around over here.
But then you just went out of your way to stick around over here. This is not home. This is the complete opposite way.
I seen him turn, so I tried to follow where he went. That's the truth.
Now it's the truth after 10 minutes. Because I don't feel like that's the truth. Because it took you 10 minutes to tell the truth finally. Right? It took you 10 minutes to tell the truth. If you can just grow up and be a man about it and tell the truth, I can work with you. But if you want to sit here and keep lying about it, I'm not going to work with you. So I'll give you a few more minutes to think about your decisions. But like I said, if you want to continue lying to me and doing all that because I know the truth, we'll go from there. But I don't take getting lied to very good. You can lie to everybody else, but I don't like getting lied to.
Contradictory statements, silent camera, and more than 10 minutes of interrogation. Is the truth as he declared?
I know I'm right, because it's all on camera. I know I'm right.
I really don't know. I don't know his name. I don't even know what bike that was.
It's kind of unfortunate for you, huh?
Yeah. I mean, I'm not even from here. I don't even know the guy.
Well, you're going to get cited for reckless driving.
I am?
No insurance. Let's see. Do you have a motorcycle endorsement yet?
I don't know, man. Come on.
No, it's fine. You've lied to me, and then y'all want to flee, so it's fine. And y'all want to flee, and then you come back here. Do you want to go to jail for fleeing? We can go to jail for fleeing, or you can just get a citation for reckless driving. Which one?
And I'll take the ticket, but...
That's what I figured. You want to just take the ticket, or we can go to jail.
We don't really do nothing, though, man.
We can take the ticket, or we can go to jail. If you want to go to jail, we can go ahead and hop on up. Okay, then I'll give you the ticket for reckless driving. You haven't been cool with me. If you had been cool with me, you would have stopped as soon as my lights came on way up there instead of having me drive half a mile down here, and then y'all take off.
I didn't even see your lights.
Didn't see my lights, but y'all accelerated at a high rate of speed. This thing right here, you see that? Was running and saw y'all take off.
A surprise reckless driving ticket that was overturned by the court, and then a lawsuit that exposed law enforcement. No surprises here.
You're just gonna ride around Clovis. No destination. Destination unknown. That's what your intentions were for today. That's a question. It's not an incriminating question, so I can ask you a question.
What my intentions were today? Yeah. By myself, came to get gas. I was just going for a ride. It was nice. And that was it, man.
Well, if you happen to see him later on, when you get released from this traffic stop, you get your tickets and go back to wherever you're getting, we can work on it from there. But if he wants to continue being however he's being, it's still going to go the way it's going. Well, it looks like you need to pick better people that you don't know to hang out with. I mean,
I literally just met up with the guy going to town.
I don't meet up with random people. I find that odd. Court. You have a court date on or before by November 20th here in Clovis, New Mexico at 221 Powell Street. You need to contact the court on or before by that day. If you do not contact them on or before by that day, you will have a warrant out for your arrest for a traffic infraction. Do you understand? On this traffic infraction, your name, your address, the information, your driver's license information, the bike's information, the time, the date, where I noticed the infraction at, and all that. Any questions? Okay, if you sign down here at the bottom, it's not an admission of guilt, just stating that you're going to take care of this. If you sign where the X is, where it says signature, you're getting the 1 citation for reckless driving. I'm not going to give you the citation for insurance. You're stating you have insurance. You need to bring that insurance with you to court and show them that you have it.
In the state of New Mexico, under NMSA 1978, Section April 3rd 30, the intentional act of confining or restraining another person without consent and knowing that one lacks legal authority is punishable by imprisonment and/or serious court costs, depending on the severity of the act. Taylor received a DUI ticket and was scheduled for court on November 20, 2024. The ticket was later dismissed, and Taylor filed a complaint against the Curry County Sheriff's Department in early 2025, but has yet to receive a response. Taylor hired an attorney and filed a lawsuit alleging police abuse of power and violation of the Fourth Amendment. So the end result of a U-turn is not handcuffs, but a lawsuit against the police.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Does my name fucking matter? I just want my friend turn, you asshole!
On August 15th, 2018, Rock Hill Police received a welfare check call regarding a suspected domestic violence incident. Upon arrival, they found a woman who had locked herself in the bathroom, showing signs of distress. As officers restrained a man for investigation, another woman unexpectedly intervened. The woman tried to understand the situation and recorded the scene to ensure transparency. However, the police quickly became hostile, repeatedly threatening to arrest her without listening to her explanation. She asserted her legal right to monitor and record public officials, but the officers ignored her.
Alright, man, can you step out? Step out.
I don't have any shoes on.
Step out.
It's really hot.
Step out of the vehicle.
Why can't nobody got me so far? Why am I being on the arrest? What did I do?
Turn around.
What did I do?
Excuse me, officer. You, come here.
You, excuse me. Hello. Excuse me. I'm standing right in front of you.
Get away, man, or you're going to jail.
What would I be going to jail for?
Listen, I called in because she was trying to kill herself. I need somebody to take her
Both
to the
of you are being
hospital.
detained right now.
Okay, please. We're being detained, not arrested, ma'am. Listen.
Ma'am!
Stop! Stop!
You arrest me, fucker.
You want to go to jail too, ma'am, so...
No, I don't, and you're not touching.
Despite the woman not displaying any serious aggressive behavior, the police used excessive force, including twisting her arm and slamming her to the ground. The video footage clearly captures her screaming in pain, "You're hurting me and you punched me in the face." She also accused the officers of breaking her tooth by smashing her face into the ground during the restraint.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
back up and let's stand up.
You just not. Look at this.
Okay.
Look at this.
Just calm down. Calm down.
I was trying to find out what was going on and help.
Okay.
This is not.
Just calm down, okay?
I hate you because you were trying to hurt me. I did not touch. I could not touch.
There's no holding on.
Wait.
You are under arrest.
Phone. I need my. No, I need my phone. Stop. I can't go down. Look at my fucking face. Get these cuffs off of me.
You're going to jail, ma'am, for assaulting a police officer and interfering with an investigation.
I had a better idea than you
No,
did.
you don't.
I was in there with them.
I don't care.
You would have stopped and asked what I was doing.
We've been talking to them 3 times today. This is the 3rd time. So you have nothing to say to me that would deter what I was going to do today.
The woman was charged with assaulting a police officer and obstructing official duties. However, many lawyers argued that these charges are commonly used by police to justify misconduct. Notably, recorded conversations among the officers at the scene revealed their uncertainty about the woman's role in the incident.
I don't need to tell you anything, ma'am. Get in the car. You're under arrest.
I have rights.
Yes, you have the right to remain silent.
Okay.
Anything you say.
You're not going to get that off without taking off the freaking cuffs. It's on my shoulder. There's no way unless you want to cut it. Ow.
Your name is under arrest.
Ow.
I'll stop moving.
Ow! Stop doing that.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving. You're hurting.
After that, in an attempt to cover up his brutal actions, he repeatedly fabricated lies to the supervising officers. However, can this web of deceit truly conceal the truth until the end? The suspect's actions violate several provisions of the South Carolina Code of Laws. Under C. Code 169320, assault on a police officer is defined as knowingly assaulting, beating, or injuring an officer while they are performing their duties, a felony punishable by up to 10 years in prison, and a significant fine. Additionally, under SC. Code 169320, B. Obstruction of justice, involves willfully interfering with or hindering an officer during an investigation, classified as a misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year in jail and or a $1,000 fine. Lastly, under SC, Code 169320, a failure to obey a lawful order is defined as refusing or failing to comply with a lawful police command, a misdemeanor punishable by up to 30 days in jail or a $200 fine.
Sean, does she have a vehicle here?
I don't know. I will find
No,
out.
she was. I guess she thought I was taking them 2 to jail. The wife. I put the wife in cuffs to just detain her because they've been domestic all day. He come around the corner, and then she was standing in the foyer over there and saw me put her in cuffs. She's like, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" I'm like, "Ma'am, just stay out of it. You don't know what's going on, all right?" She's like, "I know what's going on. He called. Talking, saying he was the one that was the victim, which is true, and I knew that, but I told her to get out of here, otherwise I placed her in arrest for hindering. And then she kept getting in the middle, and finally I was like, all right, I didn't have any cuffs on me, so I went back to my car, got more cuffs, like, leave here, you're gonna go to jail. She's like, no, you're not doing nothing, and she just stands there. Yeah, like she was just standing there watching this whole thing, right? Yeah. Because she was trying to help. Well, she helped herself into cuffs.
As the video quickly went viral on social media, public outrage erupted. Numerous civil rights organizations urged the U.S. Department of Justice to investigate. A Deutsch spokesperson promised a thorough review and ensured transparency. The Rock Hill police officers involved could face charges including second-degree assault, abuse of power, civil rights violations, and mistreatment of a detainee. What happens next when the police order a citizen to stop filming in a public place?
Don't worry about how many times I got arrested.
We have violated your rights 0 times.
No. You don't know anything then.
How many?
More
0.
than what you think, buddy.
0.
More than what you
Right.
think, buddy.
So,
more than what you think.
what's
Just for
your
violating my rights.
evidence?
Just for
I'm
violating my rights.
A citizen was recording on the sidewalk in front of a police officer's residence, asserting his First Amendment right to film in public. 3 police officers approached and ordered him to leave the area, claiming he was standing in the roadway. The man disputed this, stating he was on a public easement and demanded the officers cite the legal basis for their order to move.
See what officer it is today.
we got it. Go back, yep.
To violate people's rights. How's it going today? I'm going around here. You don't have to tell me what to do, but I'm traveling just fine.
You're in the middle of the road. I can
Well, you can't just tell people what to do. That's it, you know.
You are standing in the middle of the road in violation of
This
the
is not the
law.
middle of the road. There's a sidewalk right here. You don't see this as a
No
sidewalk?
sidewalk right here if you want to record
Come
it.
on
I'm gonna
now.
give you one more chance since you're recording.
Business card. Business card.
196.
Business
That's
card.
someone's yard. That's not a sidewalk.
Business card, buddy.
Sidewalks
Oh,
over
this is
there.
a sidewalk, bud.
Absolutely. Go find
Look.
a sidewalk.
Come on, bud. You can't just pull me over. You can't just stop me. Come on, man. I'm asking questions. That's it. That isn't an unlawful order you want to start giving. Stop it. Stop it. Let me give me a badge. Give me a business card.
I don't have a business
Okay,
card.
what's your name and badge number? Name and badge number. Come on, man. You're gonna violate people's rights like that? I could be on the street. If I have to walk across the street, what am I gonna do?
I'm not violating your
I
rights.
I come out here.
Let me talk. I am giving you opportunities to comply.
You're wanting to give.
If I wanted to violate your rights,
You're wanting to give unlawful orders. You're wanting to give unlawful orders.
The confrontation escalated when the officers asked for his ID, but the man refused, invoking his Fourth Amendment rights. He asserted his right to film in public under the plain view doctrine and his freedom of expression. The officers warned that standing in the roadway could lead to an arrest for traffic violations, further intensifying the situation.
Lieutenant Decker, we've talked before. You put a video up of me, remember?
Yes, sir. And what's your name and badge number?
Why are you out here doing this?
Well, because you guys violate people's rights, and that's it. That's like what this guy's want to do.
Give me an example.
Like right now, he's trying to push me off the road just because I'm in the. He's saying he's going to arrest me because I go on the road.
Why are you recording
right?
someone's house?
Yeah, you said that. You said if I go out on the road, you're going to arrest me. Is that
You are
illegal?
not being reasonable right now. What are you doing?
I'm saying I come out here because I test you guys for you guys to violate people's rights, and that's what you guys the first thing you guys to do.
Privacy?
I'm in public. I can record whatever I see.
Let's have a constitutional conversation. Why does
You know what the plain view doctrine is? You know what the plain view doctrine is? Right? You know what that is? Okay, then. Then I got the First Amendment.
What's that person's expectation of privacy?
So they don't got no expectation of privacy. They don't have expectation of privacy in public. As long as I'm in public.
I try to get along with you, but you're being ridiculous and you're being
Look at this.
unreasonable.
Look at.
So post your video.
Yeah.
I'm
gonna show how you guys are ridiculous on trying to do unlawful orders to people.
You should probably get a protection order against you.
No, I ain't getting nothing. You guys ain't getting nothing. You can't get nothing from me. If I have not committed a crime, you can't ask for ID or nothing. There's no reason for. Then at that point you're violating my rights, my Fourth Amendment. What's the Fourth Amendment right? What's the Fourth Amendment right? Yeah, Fourth Amendment right is my privacy, to my legal privacy. I'm not going over their fence. I'm right here in public. Oh well, there's no expectation. Plain view doctrine. Look it up. Plain view doctrine. If I can see it from public, I can record it.
Tensions heightened when a sergeant arrived and declared the man was being trespassed and would be arrested if he returned to the area. The man protested, arguing he had the right to access and record on a public sidewalk. He accused the officers of issuing an unlawful order to suppress his constitutional rights.
That you guys violate people's rights like you're going to try to do right now. Because all you want to do is violate people's rights, right?
We have your information.
You have a nice day. Yeah. Don't worry about how many times I got arrested.
We have violated your rights 0 times.
No. You don't know anything then.
How many
More than what you think, buddy.
0.
More than what you think, buddy.
So,
more than what you think. Just for violating my rights. Just for violating my rights. You're not in public. Oh,
right
this is
here.
it.
Do you understand that? I have to yell because I can't even hear myself think because you won't shut up. You are trespassed from this address. You will go to jail.
I can walk up and down all the street the whole time I want. As long as I'm not on their property, buddy. So don't go there. Don't get it twisted. I can walk up and down this sidewalk. I can walk up and down the street. Do you see that, Sergeant? You're a sergeant, right? Are you not a sergeant?
So you are free to go.
What's your name and badge number, Sergeant? Okay, then you should teach your officers that not violate people's rights and give unlawful orders. Then tell them not to give unlawful orders, okay? Remember that.
The man was not arrested at the scene but was warned that he would be detained if he returned to the restricted area. The police stated that the video footage would be reviewed as evidence. The man announced that he would post the video on social media to expose what he described as an abuse of authority.
Don't worry about what we be doing, man. Don't worry about what we be doing, man. Worry about learning how to, protect our people, protect the people's rights. You guys took an oath to protect our rights.
Give me an example where we didn't.
When you pull people over, that's the first thing you guys do, man. Hey, ID. Oh, you can't tell them that you got a light out. You can't tell them that you got this and that. Right? You can't tell them that, right? You can't. You can't, right? Because no, it's a right. You're being unreasonable. You guys learn the Constitution. Learn the Constitution under your oath. Protect our rights instead of taking our rights. That's why. I'm telling you constantly what I'm telling all the officers.
I've been trying to do that the whole time, and you're being ridiculous.
Is it not what you guys do? Okay, you guys can't pull over somebody and say, hey, your light's out. Okay, be on your way. You're serving to protect. You guys don't do that, right?
What are you talking about?
When you pull somebody
Why are
over,
you
bro, why
here?
can't you guys get it through your skull?
He has mental health
Okay?
issues. Obviously,
You guys
on
do,
this
because you guys
channel,
don't
if you're
understand
watching
it.
this,
If
this
you guys don't
gentleman,
understand
we want to
it.
help him. I wish we
You guys
could,
don't
but he
understand
has
that. You guys are
issues.
thick-headed. You guys don't
There's something
understand it. That's the first thing you
paranoid
guys
going
do.
on here.
When you guys can serve and protect and say, hey, you got a light out. You know, you went around the corner too quick, you know, slow it down. You know, and that's it. Be on your way, serve and protect. But the first thing you guys do is Nazi, papers, Nazi, I want my papers. We need them now. You can't go nowhere unless you have your papers. That's how you guys do it, huh?
The police department is facing pressure to conduct an internal investigation into the actions of the involved officers. Potential charges could include abuse of authority, unlawful detention, obstruction of free speech, retaliation against a complainant, and filing false or fabricated reports. Protect your rights, record public officials, know your constitutional protections, and stand against police misconduct. Justice thrives on truth and accountability.
So go and put your hands behind your back. Are you serious? Yes, sir, I am. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Give me your other hand, right here. Or just put your hands behind your back. Don't resist. Put your other hand behind your back.
I didn't drink anything. What the?
You don't have to drink to be a DUI.
You're under arrest.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
A traffic collision occurred at an intersection in Tacoma, Washington, when a driver mistakenly thought a red light was green. According to his testimony, the driver stated that he had been momentarily distracted while stopped and moved at a speed of about 5 to 10 mph before the accident happened.
I gotta let you know we're being audio and video recorded.
Okay.
What happened?
I saw the light turn green, so I went and smacked.
Were you turning left?
I was going straight.
Okay, so you were going this way or this way?
That way.
And where was he coming from?
They were coming this way. I think.
So they're going this way as you're crossing the intersection?
Yes.
Okay. Where did you hit them? Okay. Are you injured? Okay. You got your license and insurance on you?
Yeah.
Let's step away so they can drive. So here's this back. So a couple questions, Mr. Henry. Okay, where are you coming from?
Downtown.
We're at downtown.
I was by the casinos.
Okay. Did you have a couple drinks in the casino?
I wasn't in the casino.
Okay, what were you doing down there?
I was buying some weed. Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Did you smoke a little bit afterwards?
No.
When police arrived at the scene, the driver, identified as Mr. Henry, provided information about his travel schedule.
When was the last time you smoked?
Yesterday.
Okay,
Yeah,
now.
I got still in the package and everything.
So if not yesterday, when was the last time you did smoke?
A
year ago?
Yeah.
Okay, so only now you're coming back to smoking?
Yeah.
Okay, and where are you going now?
Going home.
Where's home at?
Yeah, I was just out doing errands, like buying groceries and papers.
And you got a green light?
Yeah, I saw a green light. And I hit the gas. I couldn't have been going more than 5-10 miles an hour and just smashed. I got hit hard. Like, that was fast.
You said you saw a green light and you went ahead and...
Yeah, I pushed the gas pedal, so I moved forward.
Do you take any medication for anything?
No.
Do you have any medical, mental conditions?
No.
Okay, are you prescribed anything that you're not taking?
No.
He stated that he had just left a cannabis dispensary but denied using cannabis or any intoxicating substances before driving.
Okay. Would you like to do some voluntary tests? I want to make sure you're okay to drive. Okay, perfect.
Okay, I'll put this in my car.
I'll just have the firefighter hold on to it real quick, if you don't mind, sir.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. Okay. Can you see the tip of this pen here?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do, okay? You're gonna stand with your feet together, hands at your sides, okay? I'm gonna move this tip of the pen left to right, up and down. I want you to keep your head perfectly still and follow this with your eyes only. Do you understand? Okay.
Oh. Good times.
I asked him, I said, are you hurting? He's like, what are you hurting? I said, do you have any pain? He's like, what's pain? I'm like, you're done.
I went to turn around, I was like, oh, that's the next thing for me. He loves DUIs, so this is actually, oh, he loves them. He's probably thrilled.
The police asked Mr. Henry to undergo a series of field sobriety tests, including eye movement tracking, one leg standing, and walking in a straight line. During the process, Mr. Henry expressed doubt about the objectivity of the tests, asserting that he exhibited no signs of impairment.
How you doing, man? Yeah, I can imagine. Doesn't seem like a great day for you.
No, it sucks.
No, what car were you in? That's a pretty bad one. You hurting?
I don't think so.
You don't think you're hurting? Yeah. Usually I know like that's like a yes or no kind of.
Yeah.
You know, like yes I'm in pain or no I'm not in pain.
You careful with the quick set of mobile.
What's that?
3 sheets to the wind.
Yeah.
3 sheets to the wind. Do you know that phrase?
It's just a rule out.
DUI.
No blood sugar or anything like that.
Hey, good news, my light bar doesn't work anymore. Like when I was like,
You have the worst luck,
I
man.
know. He's like,
All right. Do you mind looking at it?
No, I'll be happy to. Yeah, and I'll get info from her, so. Okay. There, forgot. Some good info. I'm go talk to her real quick. I'm gonna hand you these real quick. Or do you want me to hold on to them while you do that?
Yeah, just hold on a little bit, yeah.
Although Mr. Henry completed a breathalyzer test on site, the results showed no alcohol in his system, 0.00. Nevertheless, the police arrested him on suspicion of driving under the influence, DUI, of intoxicating substances.
So this next test, it's a voluntary test. It is not used for any evidentiary value in court. Would you like to take part in this test?
Is that breathalyzer? Yeah. Yes.
You will? Okay.
Alright. This isn't a bill or anything, just to say we cannot evaluate you, let you know your options, okay? Set as best you can right there. Alright.
Okay, sir, just take a deep breath in and exhale through the stoop like you're blowing up a balloon, okay? Keep going, okay. Okay, sir, you're under arrest for DUI, so go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Yes, sir, I am. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Give me your other hand, right here. It doesn't matter, just put your hands behind your back. You have the right this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you can afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand your rights?
After his arrest, Mr. Henry was taken to a medical facility for blood testing. The results later confirmed that he had no alcohol or intoxicating substances in his system, clarifying that he had not violated driving regulations.
Let's go over
We
there.
just have to have a verbal yes or no, man. We're not gonna have to do anything at that point.
I haven't drank shit.
Come on, Gus.
This is bullshit because I used to have a DUI 7 years ago. You're doing this?
No, that has nothing to do with
Yeah,
it,
it
my friend.
is.
Taste the car, okay?
A faulty breathalyzer test? You should know this. You're black. You should know this. This is racism at its finest.
I'm sorry you feel that. Do you have any needles on you, anything sharp that's going to stick me or poke me or hurt me?
No.
Okay. Okay, let's switch sides.
Yeah, just walk to the oncoming.
Let's switch sides. Need anything from your car, my friend?
Am I going to jail?
Yes. Okay, we're just gonna throw it as is at that point. I'm not gonna use something for the car. No?
The actions of the officers in this case raised significant concerns about violations of constitutional and statutory protections, underscoring the importance of law enforcement accountability and adherence to legal protocols. The Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution protects individuals against unreasonable searches and seizures, yet the arrest lacked probable cause as no evidence of impairment was present during the roadside sobriety tests or the breathalyzer test, and the officer's reliance on the driver's admission of visiting a marijuana store without corroborating signs of impairment violated his constitutional rights, with potential penalties including suppression of evidence in court and civil liability under 42 U.S.C. SS 1983 for deprivation of constitutional rights. Similarly, Rec. 10.31.100, Washington Criminal Procedure, mandates that warrantless arrests can only occur with probable cause of a crime, a threshold not met in this case, making the arrest unlawful and potentially resulting in civil suits against the officers and inadmissibility of evidence. Furthermore, Rec. 46.20.308, Washington Implied Consent Law, requires that drivers submit to breath or blood tests only if lawfully arrested. and mandates a 15-minute observation period before administering a breath test. Failure to comply with these requirements renders the results inadmissible and exposes officers and their department to lawsuits for procedural misconduct.
So it's not ethical.
I'm not going to answer or ask you any questions because you didn't acknowledge me. Okay? I honor your rights.
All right, my friend, let's go in the back of the car. Let's go on the other side.
I wasn't drunk at all.
You don't have to be drunk to be a DUI.
I'm not high either.
Well, that's your opinion, my friend.
It's a fact.
Okay.
What are you, a medical professional? No, you're not.
Have a seat, my friend.
Where's my cell phone and stuff? Where's that
I'll
going?
get it.
You know, where's it? Hey, free America! Free America!
Watch your knee over there.
All charges against Mr. Henry were dropped. He subsequently filed a lawsuit against the police department for wrongful arrest, seeking compensation for an undisclosed amount. The incident in Tacoma has raised concerns about the accuracy of DUI testing procedures and serves as a strong reminder of the importance of protecting individual rights in legal situations. Hey everyone, what are your thoughts on this situation? Drop your comments below and make sure to subscribe for more engaging and informative content coming your way. Thanks for all your support.